and on 1st November 2020 we are inaugurating our second branch at Bhopalgura. It will be on Sunday the 1st November 2020 and at 6 p.m. it will be followed by tea. And this branch will be focused more on the Bhopalgura region and Narsingi police station, and also we will be focusing on helping and guiding the NRI people, especially those who are in the Gulf and America region, because a lot of them are holding properties and buying and selling things in Hyderabad in India. So because of lack of proper guidance, they are having more chances of getting into litigation, and if cases happen in some situations, they might have to come and represent in the courts, which might be difficult for them. So before entering into any transactions, if you contact us, then we can guide you, not only as any other advocate who is in touch with you and whom you can trust. You can contact them and they will guide you, because there's a lot of legal terminology in the documentation of buying and selling and business transactions, which the common man might not be aware of. So if you get in touch with an advocate, then he will properly guide you. For example, one of my friends in Tabuk, his car's engine got heated up because of lack of water. So what he did was, he did not take advice from the car mechanic, took the car to his home and poured one bottle of cold water into the Camry. So what happened was, because of the heat and cold, the engine broke into two parts, and later on he had to replace the engine. So if he would have called his mechanic and taken advice and let the car cool down and then poured the cold water, then it would not have given him so much trouble. So please do not do such things in transactions, in buying and selling, in investing, in legal documentation. Take advice of an advocate, and then inshallah you will have less chances of litigation in future. See you on